Hi everyone, today I'm going to attempt to make super crunchy air fried chicken in the air fryer, of course. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. I am going to be using a chicken breading mix. This is Andy's Hot and Spicy. They do have regular. I know Walmart has a regular in my area, but I cannot find Hot and Spicy around here anywhere, so I ended up ordering this online. The main goal of this video is to make it super crunchy, but I am anxious to try this out. Booger500us says this stuff is amazing. I'm sure most of you have already heard of her. She also does air frying videos using her DeLonghi air fryer. So go ahead and check her out and show her some love. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be making 4 chicken thighs today. I think I can get by with 1 egg. I did add a little bit of water to it. Okay, now I'm going to take some of our breading and place it into a 1 gallon Ziploc baggie. Okay, these are pretty big thighs, so I may need more breading. I'm going to go ahead and coat this into our egg. Drip off the excess. Place it into our bag. Zip it up and give it a good shake. I'm going to take this out, shake off the excess, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my plate and proceed with the rest of these. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to let these chicken thighs sit on this plate for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back and do these steps all over again. We are going to dip it into the egg wash and back into our breading. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We are going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm done double dipping our chicken. I'm going to go ahead and place it into the air fryer basket. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this with some olive oil. You can use any kind of oil you prefer. Okay, now we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have my air fryer set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to go for 30 minutes because these thighs are pretty big, and 30 minutes usually does the trick. Halfway through, I am going to flip these over. Okay, we are 15 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, and let me tell you, this smells amazing. Okay, I have these flipped. I do have a little bit of dry breading showing. I'm not going to spray anymore. I think we will be okay. Fat will render out and take care of that. If not, I will spray a little bit more with olive oil. I'm just going to go ahead, put these back in, and let them go for the remainder 15 minutes. Okay, our 15 minutes is done on the other side. I did check these at 25 minutes in and they were not done. Let's see where we are at now. Looking good. Okay, so these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and plate these up and then we will take a taste. All right, I have these plated up. Give you a little close up. There's the back side and the front. All right, it is time for the taste test. There it is. Has a nice little kick to it. And there it really is. I'm liking this. To me, I think it's perfect. Not too hot, not too spicy. I think it's just right. I can tolerate hot food. I think this is perfect. It's not overwhelming. I don't know how well you can hear the crunch. It is crunchy. Super crunchy? I would say no, but it is crunchy, but not kind of crunch. If you ever have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. Or if you would rather email me privately, you could also do that. My email is down below in the description box. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.